babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing kind of a fitness and gym apparel haul because I've been doing a lot of shopping in that section this whole couple weeks because I've been going to the gym a lot more and I just really love buying leggings. I already have so many, but I've gotten some new ones and I just thought it would be a really fun haul to do for you guys since I'm already buying the stuff. So yeah, this video isn't really sponsored in any way. I've gotten all this stuff pretty much on my own, with my own money. I bought the Gymshark leggings from Mercari. Shout out to the girl who sold these to me for a really good price. But they are the complete authentic Gymshark leggings. Everything is still Gymshark. And then I have some Forever 21 leggings and like a little hack to show you with those. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so let's start the review off with my Gymshark ombre leggings. They are such a cute color of pink. I adore them. They had these little kind of white panty things in them, these ones here, but they totally showed through. The first thing I did when I got these leggings was cut these out, but they just showed through so bad. There was like a huge white line right here. So it's really easy to cut them out, and that is the first thing I did. The color of pink on these is to die for. I'm probably going to try and get the all chalk pink leggings sometime soon. But yes, I am an extra small in these, and I will put all my measurements down below. And then for squat proofness, they are fairly good, I believe. I really didn't notice anything, so yeah, I think that I would totally squat any day in these and they don't stretch out or really show through too much. I also just got this gray sports bra from Forever 21. This is the back of it. It was super cute. It was only like $12.90 and it actually goes fairly well with my new leggings. I got them just before. They match the Forever 21 leggings that I'm going to show you in just a second. Alright, next we are going to talk about these leggings from Forever 21. So let's start with the good parts first about these. The material is amazing. It's really thick material and I love that about them. They were only $17.80 or something like that, and they are just so quality feeling. I also think the design on the side is super cute, and they are high-waisted enough that I feel comfortable just wearing a sports bra with them, and they also fit my butt well. A lot of lower cut leggings just do not work on me because they're all good right here. And then in the back they take this little dip because it's like doesn't have enough fabric for the bootay. So I love how these fit me. If I put my legs all the way together, it does kind of create a little bit of like a camel toe effect. That's the only thing. I mean, it's kind of how leggings are. Maybe just a little bit more in these. But the biggest problem with these was that they only came in a small. And then whenever I would squat, they would stick out right here. But how I fixed that was inspired by my Victoria's Secret leggings. Right in the front here, I cut two little holes and strung through elastic on the inside of the fabric here. So now, as you can see, it stays flush to my back and my waist whenever I squat. I'm going to show you the black ones in just a second, and I'm going to do a before and after because they fit the exact same, but I haven't done the elastic thing to them yet. So here are my new black leggings from Forever 21. They are pretty much the same cut and fabric as the gray ones, but they were like a few dollars cheaper. They were $14.90 instead of $17.90. I'm not really sure why because they are the same super nice fabric and I love them. Instead of the open pattern, they have like this ribbed kind of material just right here. I am just going to check for squat proofness since these are black leggings. And yep, I believe they have passed. But the biggest problem with these, like the other ones, was that there is this little extra bit of fabric right here that doesn't fit snug to my waist. So I will show you my hack on how to fix this. So first I'm just going to cut two little slits on the inside of the waistband here, making sure I only cut through the first layer of fabric. Okay, so now you can see there are those two little holes. So now I'm going to take my black elastic and a safety pin and then put the safety pin through the end of my elastic, because I'm going to use this to just fish this elastic all the way through here. It's going to poke out right there. And now the elastic is all the way around. And now you can test to see how tight you need the elastic to close the gap. And then once you have found the tightness that you need, just go ahead and tie it off, cut the ends, and you are all good. And what's so great about that, guys, is that you can take that elastic out if you decide you don't want it in, or if you want it tighter or looser. You can always replace it because there's no sewing, there's just two little holes that you strung elastic through. And the gap is gone. So last but definitely not least is this set that I got from Victoria's Secret on sale at the semi-annual sale. I got the top for like $15, which is insane, and I also got the leggings for $30, which is double insane because these are usually like $80. And I absolutely love the color. It is like this almost white lilac color, and I think it is the prettiest thing. I love Victoria's Secret leggings though because they put like these pockets in them, so you can like put your phone in there and stuff, and it's like amazing, and you can't even like tell that these have pockets. A con about these though is because of the color, it literally attracts every stain on the planet. And I am constantly stain removing these because I love them so much. So definitely have to watch out for the sports bra when you're putting it on over your face, if you get any makeup on it at all. And same with the leggings. Literally, if you like brush up against something black at the gym, it'll like put a little scuff on them. But I keep up with washing them because I love the color so much. I know I said the last one was the last thing, but I almost forgot to show you guys this white zip up that I got from Columbia. I have been looking for a white zip up to wear to the gym for a really long time, and I did not expect to find it at Columbia, but I did. What I love so much about this one is how high quality it feels, and also that it fits me whenever I zip it up. It's like actually figure flattering. It's not like a big hoodie or anything. So it looks super cute for the gym, and it's like I said, amazing quality. And I got it from the employee store, so it was only like $37 or something like that. And it has zipper pockets on the side here that are like invisible zippers, and you can put like your keys or your phone in that and not have to worry about them falling out. So yeah, I am in love with this one too. I'm always getting things that'll stain, but I like white, so I'm a stain magnet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little gym clothing haul video of mine. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions down below. I would love to hear them. I'll also put links down below in the description with as many of these as I can find online for you guys, as well as my measurements for any sizing things. You can also feel free to DM me on Instagram if you have any questions about fit or anything like that. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.